All right, we're back again with your weekly fluff content. So here's Snoop Dogg and Adele. We're gonna tell ya. Oh, you being a sweetie? Are you being a sweetie? Are you giving me kisses? So I did not know how much bonding with a dog was gonna change my life. Similar to when I first bonded to my first cat, which was about, I don't know, like 7 years ago. So Snoop has been an incredible companion and absolutely life-changing, learning his behaviors, learning, like, I've gone through 3 rounds of dog training, and we're graduating to the next round of dog training soon, and he's been socializing, and like, I've met some amazing connections at the dog park with just people, like, just people who have dogs. Like, the connection is that we have dogs, and like, that's a whole new world being unlocked for me. That's really amazing, and I'm just so grateful.